Tell me about yourself and tell me about who you represent today.
So I am the owner and founder of Aspire Rejuvenation Clinic. We are a medical practice based in the United States with 2 clinics in Florida and Pennsylvania. And we specialize in hormone therapy, medical weight loss, anti-aging, and regenerative medicine.
Oh my God, all the things I'm interested in.
Absolutely. Everybody's interested in this.
Right. Now, how's the experience been so far at the Health 2.0?
Oh, this is fantastic. It's an international community. This makes me just want to do more outreach in the international community. I have opportunities outside of the United States, of course, Dubai being the first one that comes to mind. I think healthcare is being revolutionized out here and bringing all of these healthcare professionals from all over the world. I was just chatting with a gentleman from Mexico City. I mean, we are literally from all over the world here and converging to just give information on the next level of healthcare.
Absolutely. Now, you have received an award today. How do you feel about that? It's always nice to be recognized, right?
Yes, it's amazing, actually. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm an entrepreneur. So I founded these clinics based on principles that I learned being in health and fitness as I was a police officer for 12 years.
Oh, wow.
So I left law enforcement only 3.5 years ago, and I started these companies, and I went from absolutely nothing, starting a company with 0 patients, to now having a multi-million-dollar presence, multi-million-dollar clinics in the United States. So I have seen this grow, and getting an award like this after only a few years in the industry, absolutely amazing.
That is fantastic.
I know that we're doing the right thing. I know that we're actually treating people the right way. I know that we're making an impact in medicine. This is now the 2nd award that I've gotten now internationally.
Wow, that's fantastic and so interesting, by the way. What a story. And now tell us about what your vision or your mission is for the next 5 years.
So my mission is really to push forward preventive medicine, regenerative medicine, and what anti-aging really is through hormone therapy. All of the information that we have out there with studies dictates that optimizing hormones at a certain point in age, pretty much everybody after the age of 35 or 40, hormone decline starts to happen and we start to age. So a way to prevent this is to optimize hormone levels. For women, estradiol, progesterone, testosterone. For men, specifically testosterone, and then growth hormone for everyone. This is going to be extremely important, and it will actually prevent disease. It'll prevent a lot of the age-related diseases and metabolic diseases that happen to the older generations.
It's a presentation on this, isn't it?
I have a presentation in about an hour, so we'll hear a little bit more information.
I am excited for that. Thank you so much for being here at Health 2.0. We're really excited for your presentation, actually.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.